In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix login or password is invalid error on Discord. If you're seeing the login or password is invalid error when trying to sign in to Discord, don't worry. This is a common issue that can happen for several reasons, and in most cases, it's easy to fix. By checking a few important settings and making sure your account information is correct, you can usually regain access to your account in just a few minutes. Start by carefully checking the email address or username and password you're entering. Even a small typo, an accidental extra space, or having caps lock turned on can prevent you from signing in successfully. Take your time and re-enter your credentials carefully before trying again. If you're certain your login information is correct but the error continues, use the Forgot Your Password option on the sign-in page. Follow the prompts to reset your password using the email address associated with your Discord account. After creating a new password, return to the login screen and sign in again using your updated credentials. If you recently changed your password, make sure you're entering the newest one. Older saved passwords stored in your browser or password manager may no longer be valid, so update them if necessary to avoid repeated login failures. Another helpful step is to try signing in from a different web browser or use the Discord desktop application if you're currently using the browser version. If you're already using the desktop app, try accessing Discord through your browser instead. This can help determine whether the issue is related to the application or your current browser session. You should also check your internet connection to make sure it's stable. A weak or interrupted connection can occasionally interfere with the login process. Refresh your connection if needed, then try signing in again. If you've attempted to sign in multiple times with incorrect credentials, wait a few minutes before trying again. Repeated failed login attempts may temporarily limit additional sign-in attempts as a security precaution. If your account has two-factor authentication enabled, be sure to enter the correct authentication code after your password is accepted. Make sure the time on your authentication device is accurate so the generated codes remain valid. If none of these steps resolve the issue, visit Discord's official support center for additional troubleshooting or to contact the support team for further assistance with your account. Once you're able to sign in successfully, consider using a strong, unique password and enabling two-factor authentication to help protect your account from unauthorized access in the future. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel,